How to pin post on X or Twitter account. Let's get started. First, launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now you'll need to navigate to your profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the top left. Head over to the option profile. Once you're in the profile page, navigate to the post tab. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find the list of your posts. Now head over to any of the posts that you wanna pin to your profile. Click on three dots given at the top right corner of the post that you wanna pin. Now select the option Pin to your profile. This will appear at the top of your profile and replace any previously pinned post. Are you sure? Click on Pin. And just with that, you have pinned that post. Now at the top of your profile, the pinned post will appear. So this way you can easily pin and post on X. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.